for instance, I don't know, financial sphere, where we can cooperate as the first step for more deep cooperation in other spheres. Like after financial sphere, it can be economic sphere as a whole, then it can be something like political union and so on. And structural model is really interesting one due to the fact that it handles the situation with so-called axiologist factor. It means actually that if we try to cooperate, the solid basis of this cooperation should be on common values, common orientations, and something like this. I mean, common political values and common values. And just to be short about this intergovernmentalist model, as I said, the national level, the relationships between member states are really important, and all the important decisions are taken on the level of national governments. So this is intergovernmentalist cooperation, which is prime to the cooperation between national states or member states within the European Union and the supranational institutions. So supranational institutions, like here, they play the secondary role. So the prime role belongs to this interaction on the national level. So decision making is taken here, so by the member states of the European Union. So the federalist model envisage the reverse situation when the supranational institutions play the key role in decision making, and the national governments they comply with the decisions which are taken by the supranational institutions. At the moment, if we take the situation of financial crisis or situation concerning for instance, not migrant case, but concerning compliance with so-called criteria of the European Union. This is the budgetary policy and something like this. This is a situation of federalist model. So here the national level and national governments play a secondary role, and the prime role belongs to the supranational institutions in decision making. So if we take the situation of neo-functional model, this is the situation when there is cooperation, tense cooperation between supranational institutions and national institutions, and the major factor for this cooperation is actually the common sphere or common areas for cooperation. Like, as I said, we try, for instance, to cooperate first in financial sphere, and then we got something like a spillover effect. Spillover effect that we can promote our cooperation from financial sphere to other spheres in the economy, for instance, in industry, non-industrial sector, and something like this, and also actually broaden our cooperation in other spheres, not only economic one, but also social, humanitarian, political, and so on. So this is spillover effect is really important in understanding what is actually neo-functionalism and how a national neo-functional governance is going on. And the last one is actually the structural model of governance within the European Union. We should make so-called cohesion policy. We should stick together, be close to each other, but in order we should be close to each other, we should have something in common, and this is something like values, orientations, and something like this. At the moment, if you have see what is going on within the European Union, many member states of the European Union say, "Oh, we don't want to actually be democratic in the way how democratic are Western countries. We don't want migrants because we don't need them. There is zero tolerance to migrants in different EU member states like Hungary and something like this." This is really disturbing, and this is This shows actually that there is a really problem with the shared values, common values within the European Union, and these values should be elaborated, and they are elaborated. This is shortly about actually what is going on with the models of governance within the European Union.